Looking for the best waterless car washes? In this video we look at some of the top 3 waterless car washes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Meguiar Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. Pros: the combination wash and wax leaves a nice shine on the surface after gentle rubbing, without leaving water spots. The finish is glossy while leaving the paint color clear. Cons: the cleaning solution can leave some streaks or dirt spots on the surface of most vehicles. Bottom line: at budget-friendly bottle of waterless wash that includes a good, reliable wax. At number 2. Chemical Guys EcoSmart Washington. Pros: eco-friendly formula of all natural ingredients is safe to use outdoors without damaging the car's surface. Comes in a variety of sizes for different vehicles. Cons: wiping away the cleaning solution can leave small scratches on the surface of the vehicle. Bottom line: waterless car wash that is environmentally safe and friendly. At number 1. Aero Cosmetics Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. Pros: the car wash waterless mix offers a great amount of protection from UV damage. The wax can be used on a number of different surface types such as a car, boat, RV, motorcycle, garage floor and equipment, home and office. Wax applies with minimal effort and application. Cons: the shine of the included wax does not last as long as automotive-specific options. Bottom line: a great overall wash and wax kit you can buy without the need for water. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.